In today's tutorial on how to reduce file size in Illustrator, I have 6 tips that in combination are going to help you greatly reduce file size in your Adobe Illustrator documents. What is up people, welcome back to Satori Graphics, the home of graphic design content right here on YouTube. So follow along today with this step-by-step tutorial on how to reduce your file sizes in Illustrator. The first tip for reducing file size is to open up the Actions window like so. Then head over to the Delete Unused Panels option and hit Play. By simply doing this, you're going to remove unused swatches, brushes and so forth, thus reducing your file size. If you have a design in Illustrator with many different blends, blurs and shadows, you can reduce the file size by lowering the raster effects resolution. This will only lower the resolution on the effects that are rasters as opposed to vector. To do this, go to Effect, Document and Raster Effect Settings. You can then set a low value of resolution in the dialog box. In addition to minimizing the file size, it's also going to accelerate the process of displaying graphics on the screen whilst zooming. After finishing with the file, you can set the desired value for the resolution. The next method on how to reduce file size in Illustrator is a tip that I've mentioned before on my channel, but it is crucial in the process of reducing your file sizes. With your design selected, go up to Object, Path and then Simplify. Here you can lower the amount of anchor points used while seeing the changes in real time by keeping the preview button checked. You want to make sure that your design retains the original shape whilst making the changes. The fourth way to reduce file size in Illustrator is based around symbols. Vector artwork can contain many different multiple objects or groups of objects resulting from duplication. In this case, save the item you want to duplicate as a symbol in the Symbols panel. You can access this by going up to Window and Symbols, then proceed to duplicate a character with the sprayer tool. Using symbols greatly reduce the file size of the original file. Their use is particularly justified if you want to duplicate complex objects in Adobe Illustrator. The fifth way to reduce file size on your graphic designs is a quick and neat trick. When we're saving the file for the first time, this opens Illustrator's option dialog box. To significantly reduce the file size, uncheck Create PDF Compatible File, and then make sure you check the Use Compression box. Final tip on how to reduce the file size in Illustrator will leave you with many options for your current designs. After an object has been designed, head up to Object and Flatten Transparency. Here you have some nice options that can reduce file size, such as custom resolution, converting things to stroke or outlines and so forth. So there were today's 6 ways on how to reduce file size in Adobe Illustrator. If you want to improve your graphic design skills and overall awareness as a designer, subscribe to my channel for weekly graphic design content. Like and share today's tutorial on social media, and as always, until next time, design your future today. Peace.